Let's start here in the cockpit with the fishing features. Right away you'll see in deck you have... Let's start here in the cockpit with the fishing features. You'll see right away here in the cockpit, nice spacious area, plenty of room for bottom fishing, trolling, whatever you may be doing. Here in the deck you'll see two fish boxes. You have a port and starboard side fish box. Both are macerated and insulated. Starting here on the starboard side, plenty of rod holders here on the pillars. They work their way around the side of the gunnels, here on the transom, and then this will bring you over to your live well on the port side. As mentioned, not only is this a great fishing boat, also a great cruising boat. I like to think of this boat as it's really divided up into a couple different social zones. So you have this first area here in the cockpit, second area under the hardtop, third area up in the bow. So let's start here in the cockpit. Your cruising features, you have a nice large bench seat, nice handle to grab onto. Before I open this, take note of the dive ladder, which will insert into your dive door. Boston Whaler is all about point of access, so it's easily accessible, easily used. So again, nice handle, pulls out the bench seat. You'll see when the bench seat opens, nice deep seat, backrest raises up, so it's a nice comfortable area. Below deck we have two tables which will pull out and actually insert right here in the middle of the cockpit. The reason is you have a second seat here, so now you have two opposing seats, put hors d'oeuvres, drinks, whatever you may have on top of the teak table. Over here on the starboard side, nice prep station. As we flip this up, you're going to have a nice electric grill. Your prep station slides over, prepare your food here, cook it here. Underneath this seat is a insulated cooler, so you have a nice door to access it. However, if you're loading up the cooler, you need a little bit better access, we're going to fold it all the way up. As we come forward, you'll see this backrest does actuate back. So now it does offer a forward-facing seat. What I love about this boat is when you're cruising the intercoastal, cruising to the Bahamas, now you have two rows of forward-facing seat under the hardtop and protected by the windshield. AC vents down below, blowing cool air on your passengers. And then this seat does swivel around. You'll see a lot of moving parts on this boat. Now you have two opposing seats anchored up at the sandbar, great social area. There's another table that you can put here in the center. Footrest down below. You'll see footrest on both seats and behind as well. As we spin this back forward, brings you to your great captain's chair, fold down bolsters, armrests, and a great helm station. Mercury throttles, Mercury joystick with all the great features, skyhook, autopilot. Two Raymarine MFDs for your chart plotting, radar, FLIR cameras, whatever it may be. All of your switching easily accessible at your fingertips. Large windshield, so it offers a ton of protection from the elements. If it's a bit of a hot day, you can open up the vent. And then if it's a bit of a cool day or rainy, you do have the isinglass system that you can put in place. And this will go all the way around the back of the boat. So this area is climate controlled, so you put that up, turn on the AC or the heat. We'll walk you up here to social zone number 3. Just a beautiful area to hang out. Seating for 3 here on this side. Everyone has their own armrests. Pop-up table with the filler cushion, so this is powered. It'll go up and down. Drop it down, now you expand your seating all the way up to the bow. Up front you do have a windlass anchor. You can control that from there or back at the helm. We'll head this way, I'll show you the cabin. As you walk down, you have an air-conditioned cabin, accommodations for 2 with a private head. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video at MarineMax Stuart. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn. If you'd like to learn more about this Boston Whaler 350 realm or any of our other inventory, feel free to give us a call, 772-287-4495.